3 things you don't need to worry about. Maybe it's not 3 things, but a few things you don't need to worry about. So my understanding is that sellers want to know the following. Question number 1, can I still get a good price for my home? Absolutely. So I know we are in a period of time where we're not really sure, we're not in control of the stock market and all of those things, and people are talking about a recession, but what I can say is that past 6 recessions, home prices have gone up. So the only one that they didn't was in 2008, and that was really a real estate recession. Interestingly enough, we have been in a real estate recession for 2 years. So we're probably the only industry that has been in recession. And we are also the only industry that can help pull the rest of the country up as well. So when people are talking about a recession, it doesn't necessarily mean a bad real estate market. So sellers want to know, can I get a good price for my home? Well, absolutely. Like, why wouldn't you? Inventory is still super low. That's the problem. That's sort of why we've been in a real estate recession. Our inventory levels are super low, and the buyer pool is still there. You know, most recently, real mortgage rates actually have gone down in sort of this mess of the economy right now. So can you still get a good price for your home? Absolutely. Now, that also always depends on how you want to price your home. So if you want to overprice your home, no, you're not going to get a good price for your home. But if you listen to your realtor and price it strategically, yes, absolutely. Certainly in our area, this spring market has been crazy. 15 offers, 10 offers. You know, as the price goes up in price, obviously there's less and less of that. So if you're in a 3 million or over market, it's a much slower market, but it's not any slower than it has been. So it's sort of a more consistent, like maybe you're on the market for 3 or 4 months. That's normal. Anything under 3 million though, priced well, will actually go off the market fairly fast. Oh, how long will it take to sell? Another question. Priced properly, you know, you would stay well within average days to offer, which, as I mentioned, sort of under 1.8 million average days to offer is like 15. Between 1.8 and 2.8, maybe you're at 30. From 3 million on, you could be at like 70 days. So as long as you're in the average, it doesn't matter. It's when you go over the average that you have to start questioning things. Next question, should I sell now or wait it out? I don't know what you could possibly be waiting for. If you have something going on in your life that makes selling now the right thing for you, then you should do it. You know, if you're waiting, I don't even know what you would be waiting for. Are you waiting for prices to go up? Are you waiting for our economy to stabilize? I mean, that could be 4 to 8 years if you're willing to wait that long. Certainly prices are still going up in our area, 3 to 4% a year. So, you know, if now isn't the right time to sell, then you shouldn't do it. But if now is the right time because you're ready to downsize, you're ready to upsize, you're ready to move towns, what have you, there's nothing to wait for. It's still a great time. What can I do to stand out? Well, I would say that, you know, having your house looking its best is the only thing that is necessary for you to do in order to stand out, right? So everything needs to look fresh, needs to be decluttered. The outside needs to be nice with, you know, mulching, you know, nice plantings, what have you. I think that's how you stand out. You just look like you've taken good care of your house. How much has the value of my home dropped? Okay, well, around here, we haven't had any home drops, so like there's no worries about that. Your value is there. It has been there, especially, you know, actually in any of the towns around. You know, you made your money when you purchased the house and you've had an equity build, and it will continue to do so. There is no end in sight for that. What's the local market like? I think I sort of already explained that. It's very hot at certain price points. The higher up you get, it becomes a little bit slower, but there are still buyers out there. And are buyers still buying? 100%. Buyers are out there. They've been out there the whole time. They are ready, willing, and able to purchase your house. They're just waiting for the houses to come on the market. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.